The upper chamber resumed today with the first reading of the Immigration Amendment Bill and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs Amendment, which was passed in the House of Assembly last evening. Senators then began debate on the amendment to the Police Act, which removes the fixed term for the police commissioner and his deputy. Janaea Noel Ferguson has details.
State Minister in the Ministry of National Security, Senator the Honorable Keith Bell, says the Constitution dictates that to remove a commissioner of police would require a vote in Parliament and a referendum. However, he said the FNM failed to do this back in 2009 when they amended the Police Act and established a fixed term for the top police post.
I cry shame on the FNM for passing the sections being repealed. It was wrong. It violates the sacred trust placed in parliamentarians by the electorate, and it is not in the interest of the Bahamas to allow the provisions to remain. As with the judiciary, the commissioner must not only be fair, but he must also appear to be fair. This is an essential component in a democratic society governed by the rule of law.
Meanwhile, opposition Senator the Honorable Desmond Bannister defended his administration's decision, saying the Constitution provides no assurances for the Commissioner of Police.
The Commissioner of Police may only be removed from office by the Governor General if the tribunal recommends his removal. The Constitution gives the Governor General the power to remove the Deputy Commissioner. None of those provisions are infringed by the 2009 Act. In fact, the 2009 Act expressly, in Section 7, expressly referred to and preserved those provisions and indicate that removal must be consistent with those provisions. Interestingly enough, sir, in the case of the Commissioner of Police and the Deputy Commissioner of Police, the Constitution stops there. It offers them no further protection.
A fixed term, Bannister says, was progressive thinking to modernize the police force, and if it does not exist, the commissioner is appointed for life, regardless of his performance or his health, and that's why he says he would not support the amendment. Attorney General Senator Alison Maynard Gibson noted, however, that no commissioner of police should ever feel that he has to sing for his supper.
This is the little Bahamas, where everybody is related. It's a small society. The Commissioner of Police has to decide whether or not the very man who is to renew his contract, he is going to see whether he's going to charge that person's family member with an offense. People might expect that he would pause for a minute and seriously consider whether he would do that. I hasten to add now, I'm just giving an example. The point is that no commissioner of police anywhere in the world, and we are talking about the Bahamas, should be put in that position.
The Attorney General said the amendments will return balance to the police force. Janaea Noel Ferguson, ZNS News.